Hey, Jeff at Sweet Sounds here, back again, and this time we have actually an oldie but a goodie. This is a 2001 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Standard, basically covering everything from 1998 to 2013 street glides, what we're talking about in this video. And this is a bike we actually upgraded a few different times over the last, I don't know, 10, 15 years, whatever it's been now at this point in time. But we get the question quite often, hey, can you guys upgrade my older bike with Cicada speakers? And the answer is, well, always has been sometimes. But we went ahead and we actually got the Cicada Pro Audio components installed in the fairing on this bike, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. So currently this bike features a Rockford Fosgate head unit. We have not changed that out to the new 98 to 13 from Soundstream yet. That's probably going to be the next step on this bike. But we went ahead and pulled out the old Rockford speakers that were in the fairing on this thing for something with higher output and a little less harshness to them, along with a little bit stronger mid presence on them. Left the existing speakers in the rear, and this thing already had the PPI powered subwoofer in one bag. So it's a little bit of a mismatch in here. It's been upgraded a few different times over the years, but most recently, like I said, we installed the Cicada Pro Audio components in the front of this bike, and it makes a drastic difference in what this gentleman gets to enjoy when he's riding on this bike. So let's go ahead and flip this around. We'll take a little look at what's on this bike currently and give it a good listen. So as I mentioned, this is an 01 Electra Glide Standard. Came from the factory without a radio, just had an existing pocket in there. But really what we're talking about here covers everything from a 1998 to 2013 street glide. Everybody's familiar with that thing? As I mentioned, currently has the Rockford Fosgate radio in there. We've been doing a ton of these bikes with the Soundstream 98 to 13, which is going to get you Apple CarPlay, a wireless Apple CarPlay, a wireless Android Auto, full touchscreen, super bright display. So that's going to be probably the next upgrade done on this bike. But right now, today, we're talking about the Cicada Pro Series components that we installed into the fairing on this bike. So Cicada does not offer a kit for these bikes specifically, but we got a few different parts that we put together and allows us to get these speakers installed in here properly. This is still running the old school 400 watt TM 400 Rockford Fosgate amplifier, so we're not even sending a ton of power to these speakers, but they do still get quite a bit louder than the existing Rockford Fosgate speakers and a lot less harsh, especially at high output. Rear speakers stayed the same with the Rockford Fosgate 6x9, and as I mentioned in here, if I can do this one-handed, is a powered subwoofer. You can see that, and that's just installed on the one side on this bike. So that's like a dual woofer downfire setup on that thing. Let's go ahead and take a listen to this bike.
Can I take you there?
Of course, we hit the end of the song, so let's go ahead and let that play up again here.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair, with eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
So if you are looking for some upgrades for your 98 to 2013 Harley-Davidson, whether it be a road glide or a street glide, we got some great options for these things, including being able to get these Cicada speakers into there for you. Reach out to the experts here at Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota. 507-345-8863. Check us on our website, sweetsounds.com. Ride safe. Take care.